Hello again. You know, as you get older, you have more and more times when you're by yourself or with your friends. I know you want to be able to keep yourself safe and to have fun at the same time. Being scared isn't any fun. So today we want you to look at the choices you make about your own safety when you're on your own. Some of you have worked with us before. You will want to listen for how the rules change now that you're older. The 4 rules are: you stay an arm's reach away from that person, you don't talk to them, you don't take anything from them, and you don't go anywhere with them. But you're older now, so some of those rules don't apply all of the time, and you have more choices to make. Okay, so today we're going to look at what choices you need to make in order to be responsible for yourself. Okay? Ben, will you come and help me? Stay right there. All right. What if I'm walking down the street? Now, you remember we had a rule, don't talk to strangers. But what if I'm walking down the street and Ben's walking down the street and I say, hi? Hi. Is it okay for him to say hi back?
No.
I think it is now that you're the age that you are. Because is there anything wrong with that, being friendly?
No.
No, okay, so it would be okay to say hi. But what about if it happens this way? Let's try this again, Ben. Hi.
Hi.
You live around here? Good. That changed it, didn't it? And Ben made a choice to go around me and keep going on his way, didn't he? Was that a responsible choice?
Yes.
Absolutely. Good, thank you. Okay. Mandy, do you know what an isolated place is?
Yes.
Tell me.
It's an empty place.
Yeah, it's an empty place. So a playground, which is normally crowded and has lots of people, when there's nobody there, it's an isolated place, right? When you're in an isolated place and a stranger comes around, is that a time that you need to be more careful?
Yes.
Yeah, it absolutely is. Good, thank you, Mandy. Tanisa, come on down here. Okay, Tanisa, what about if you're in your front yard? Tanisa has a briefcase. And she's got her briefcase here, and she's got her books and her homework and all of her stuff, and she's sitting there working on it. Okay? And I'm someone she doesn't know, and I come into the yard. What does she do? Good. And what about if I say, hi, I know you don't know me. I was just wondering if you know if the elementary school is just right down the block. Now, if she knows that it is it okay for her to say yes?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it probably is. Would you be comfortable saying yes, Tanisa? Good. If she's not comfortable, is she going to answer the question?
No.
No, because she needs to do what feels right to her. If you were comfortable, you could say, yep, it's right down the street. And when I leave, can she go back to doing whatever she was doing?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. Do you know what? That uncomfortableness is a signal from your body that you need to pay attention and make choices that keeps you safe. So that's absolutely terrific. Okay? Good. Damien, come on up here. You're in the park with your parents, okay? And someone calls you by name, but your parents aren't right there with you. They're over talking to some friends. So I say, Damien, how you doing? Damien, I haven't seen you in 2 years. He's not comfortable with that, is he? But because his parents are in the park talking to their friends, what could he do?
Go tell.
Yeah. And what if your parents introduce you to me because I'm an old friend of theirs? Then can you talk to me?
Yes.
Good. Thank you, Damien. Okay. Aki, come on up here. Aki, what if you are on the playground and the teachers are inside, or maybe they're around the corner, they're kind of having a little meeting, and you see that there's someone that you've not seen around the school before hanging around the yard, and that person is nowhere near you, but you notice that he's there. What do you think would be a responsible choice for you to make? Who knows? Melissa, what would you do?
Just stay away from him. If he comes near you, just stay away from him.
That's one possibility. Tanisa, what's another possibility? Yeah, because even if he's bothering you, isn't bothering you a key? Is it a possibility he might bother some of the other kids?
Yes.
Yeah, maybe some kids that are too little to know to tell. So if you notice something happening that might hurt somebody else, would it be a responsible choice for you to go and tell someone?
Yes.
Yeah, does that require you to think?
Yes.
Does that require you to pay attention?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. And is that what making healthy choices is all about?
Yes.
Yeah, it absolutely is. Good, thank you, Aki. Next time, we're going to talk about 2 more rules and other kinds of choices that you make when you're on your own. But right now, you can talk with your teacher about times that you have choices to make and how you make them.